Hey guys, so today we are obviously in a different place, and as of right now this is the best that I can do. I'm essentially, I got a new job and I moved out of state and I'm working at a college and essentially living in a dorm room. Let me scooch closer. There are 3 girls living in this one tiny room. So there's a bed here that you can see. My bed is back there, and there's another bed right there. So we're pretty cramped. We're gonna make it work. It's free to live here because we work here, so we gotta roll with it. Anyways, lighting is probably not good. It's kind of cloudy today. I do have a window in front of me, and I have the light on, so sorry about that glare right there. I don't know how to fix that for right now. Anyways, today I'm updating my Panlo's Eyeshadows video. I filmed a Shop My Stash that, I don't know if that's going to go up before this or not. But yeah, first actual sit-down video in the new place. Yeah, so let's just jump right into it. I have 2 pans. Exciting. Let's just start right off with the 2 pans. First is from my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics. I finally hit pan on this color. Been working on nudie for a really long time. Hopefully you can see that without me blinding you. Yeah. I was using this color to set my primer, and I used it in the crease a lot too. So this was like a good primer, or good to set my primer or as a transition. So there's that one, and this one will finally be rolling out. The next eyeshadow that I hit pan on was from the All About Color Style Essentials palette. This I hit pan on really easy. There it is right there. And I was just using this as a liner. Yeah, so after I hit pan on this, I didn't really use it much after. And it really only took like a week and a half probably. Not the best formula. I don't know if I'd use that color again unless I rolled it in. Yeah, anyways, next we have these 3 that I'm still working on. The most progress is from Urban Decay. I think this is the Ammo palette. And this is the shade Polyester Bride. So you'll probably be able to see better in the close-ups that I hopefully already showed. Actually, I should probably show the close-ups after this. Let's see. There's a really good dip in there. I think because this color is getting, or this palette is getting older, it's just like really powdery, and there's a lot of fallout, but I've been using this a lot on my eyelids and in the inner corner. I'll swatch all those after. Next I have my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette. This is going to be in here for the rest of my life because there's like essentially no difference. I still use it. I have it in the crease a little bit today. I mean, I can see like brush strokes. That's pretty much it. So that's gonna be in here for a while. And then the next one is in my Z palette. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pink, and this one's also gonna be in here for a really long time. Hopefully you can see this one better in the close-up too. Since this pan of eyeshadow is so small, my brush covers the entire thing. so it's wearing it down really evenly instead of like digging a hole. So this is going to be in here for a while. I do really like it though. Okay, I'll swatch all of these and I'll be right back. Here is what we were working with. It's probably gonna be hard to tell again because the lighting in here is terrible. But we have Urban Decay Nudie, we have the brown shade from the Style Essentials palette, Urban Decay Polyester Bride, Too Faced Honey Buns, and Coastal Scents Hot Pink. So we are still working on 1, 2, 3. And let's draw some new shades. So let's see. As of right now, I did actually like math it out a little bit, not too much. I have 11 eyeshadow pans out of 1,815. So I have 11 pans out of 1,815 eyeshadows, which is 0.6%. Not a lot. I did buy more eyeshadow. I bought the Sultry palette. I found that at Marshall's. So that's where that came from. Yeah. Anyways, let's pull up my random numbers app. 2 eyeshadows out of 1815. And let's randomize. Okay, so we got 1,077 and 1,123. So let's see what those are. I have my computer right here. That's what I'm looking at. 1,077. Okay, so 1,077 is the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette in the shade Punk. I will grab that in a minute. And then 1123 is from the Cargo Getaway eyeshadow palette in the shade Highway. So let me go find those. It might take me a bit because I literally have just makeup under my bed. So I will be right back. So we have the Cargo Getaway palette, and the shade we got was Highway. Okay. Highway is this dark, almost black brown color. I've never used this palette. I don't think ever. Yeah, it's essentially just a gray. We will use that as a eyeliner most likely. And then from the Gwen Stefani palette, we got the shade Punk, which is another dark color. This is the dark burgundy shade, which I don't think I've ever used this color. And it's pretty much just a brown burgundy. So that'll be interesting. Probably not a lot of progress on those. And honestly, probably not a lot of progress in this project for next update. I might have pan on this one. That's probably it. But we will see for next time. I would like to continue obviously working on the yellow and the pink and try to incorporate the new colors. And I want to hit pan on this one. So that will be my goals for next time. So right now we are working with Polyester Bride, Honey Buns, Hot Pink, Highway, and Punk. So that is my new color story. Definitely not as wearable as it has been, but we will make it work. Alright, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.